Ceiling cassettes, and then he put in parentheses the model number cast 12 HP 230V1 R32AH. He said that his distributor has been unable to order these. What specific steps or process do they need to follow to get these ceiling cassettes in stock? I'll let you answer that, and then I'll do the second part.
Yeah, so as of right now, everything's looking like there's a 145% reciprocal tariff on that, on top of, the other tariffs that were already on the product. I think there was a 7.5, then a 25, and then there's an additional 20 for for the fentanyl tariff, and then the reciprocal. As of right now, we're working through that to see if there's some things we can do with how we import the equipment. Right now, people just aren't going to pay that 145% additional tariff. And that's why, a lot of people like Baker and others have put those orders on hold for just right now. Looks like we found some relief on the indoor units. We should be able to get those ordered pretty quick. We Tradewinds already had some on order, and they're coming in this month. We're beating the timeline on the tariffs because we planned ahead. But just stay tuned. We talk to Baker and the other distributors pretty often, so they should be able to get you some of those ordered here before too long.